Jose amigas. So let's go to Bongoyo today. It's the small island close to Dar es Salaam at the northeastern location. We are going to take a boat, and right now let's go to canteen to have a breakfast. Arrive at the slipway. Right now we are going to take boat. It's early morning. No guests arrive here. So we two are the first batch of guests to take the boat. So I'm expecting on Bongoyo Island now there is no one. Peaceful sincerity. So you see from this window of a roof, you can see the island from this place. So we take a private boat. It's a fisherman's boat. 130 Tanzania shilling round trip. That means we go there in the morning at 7 o'clock and come back around 2 p.m. The round trip costs 130 shilling. Maybe 40 USD. 40 USD. Slipway is a hotel complex. Contains restaurants, shops, souvenir shops, artist shops, and what's this? Italian restaurant maybe. Oh, you can also buy boots, shoes, and clothes. Skechers, yeah, gemstone, Tanzanite. And this is a bar, coffee bar. I've been there last week to look for gemstone, Tanzanite, but it's not really good and expensive. So I will choose another time to buy Tanzanite in Indian street, the biggest street to sell gemstone. For foods, could you see that there is a kayak on the sea? I want to rent a boat kayak like this, and then I will sail around Bongoyo today. Maybe. Let's deal with that. Very great place. It's a slipway. Okay, I will go to the Bongoyo Island. So let's see there. And I take my aerodrome and I will show you up to the whole island view at a time with the bird view. So, Captain, what's your name?
My name is Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Great name. Did you have breakfast? We'll take this kayak together. I think we have one more that one. What did you see that? Let's have a good trip to Bongoyo. See you later, Dar es Salaam. How long we can go there? How long we can reach there? How many minutes we can reach there? How much we arrive at the Bongoyo Island. You see, this is Bongoyo Island, and that beach. Could you see the beach out there? We will reach there and then have a long time swimming out there. So, see you there. So they are fishing. They are fishing? Oh. Let's go there to see. Yeah, have a look. Yeah. So you see the fishermen there. They are catching fish. I don't know what kind of fish they can catch. Maybe groupers, snappers, or ratfish. Let's have a look at them. Hello. They are small fish. Let's look at this. What kind of fish? What kind of fish, bro? Grouper. Grouper. Small. How are you? Yeah, I have it. getting to swim around this island. Maybe it takes 3 or 4 hours, but you know, it's a dangerous and a risky experience. Let me see. I will try, but I don't know. I can finish this trip, swimming trip. Not 2 times people. I'm captain that there. The captain. Our captain. And then we'll take the boat at the beach. And yesterday I learned a word, turquoise color, and turquoise beach, turquoise sea. This part of the beach is very clean. It's like an emerald gemstone. So I will take off. Have a swim out here. See you later.
Bongoyo Island is a small uninhabited marine reserve located just 2.5 kilometers north of Dar es Salaam. It is a highly popular day trip destination for locals and tourists seeking a peaceful escape from a day's bustle to enjoy wet sand beaches and clear turquoise waters. We can do relaxing swimming, some people do snorkeling. Today, when I swam at the seagrass beds, I saw one shallow coral reefs having one fish looking like an eel. You know, seagrass beds are home to diverse marine life, including butterfly fish, starfish, and occasionally sea turtles. In my opinion, they're also a dangerous place because we actually totally have no idea what's hiding inside. Today, I also made one exciting camera drone story during flying. If you want to know about it, please subscribe and wait and see next video.